Hey there, Fixing Expert family, welcome back to the channel, where we give you expert tips on home decor and renovation. Today, we're diving into the exciting future of interior design by exploring the must-have trends for 2024. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or just updating a room, these trends are sure to inspire and elevate your home to the next level. Let's get started. Biophilic design, bring nature indoors. In 2024, biophilic design is set to dominate interior spaces. This trend is all about connecting with nature, incorporating natural elements like indoor plants, wood, stone, and water features. Expect to see lush greenery, natural light, and earthy textures to create calming, peaceful environments. 2. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Going green isn't just a buzzword anymore. Sustainable materials are a key focus in 2024's interior design. From reclaimed wood furniture to eco-friendly paint, more homeowners are choosing options that benefit the planet while looking chic. These choices help you reduce your carbon footprint while creating stylish spaces. 3. Bold colors and rich textures. Forget neutral tones. In 2024, we're seeing a shift towards bold colors like deep blues, emerald greens, and burnt oranges. Pair these with rich textures like velvet and faux fur to add depth and personality to your living spaces. 4. Multifunctional spaces for flexible living. With more people working from home, multifunctional spaces are becoming essential. From convertible furniture to open floor plans, 2024 is all about maximizing the use of your home. Think home offices that double as guest rooms or living areas that transform into workout spaces. 5. Smart technology integration. Smart home tech is getting even smarter in 2024. Expect to see more seamless integration of tech into design, with smart lighting, heating, and even furniture that responds to your needs. These tech trends not only add convenience but also a touch of futuristic flair to your home. 6. Curved furniture and soft edges. Say goodbye to sharp angles. In 2024, curved furniture is taking the spotlight, bringing a sense of softness and comfort to home decor. Whether it's a round coffee table or an arched doorway, these designs are perfect for creating a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. Where to shop for modern decor in Dubai? Looking to bring these trends into your home? Fixing Expert has got you covered. Visit fixingexpert.ae to find everything from eco-friendly materials to smart home installations. Our experts are here to help you with consultation, planning, and even installation to ensure your home is as stylish as it is functional. Why choose Fixing Expert? At Fixing Expert, we pride ourselves on delivering the best in design and quality. Whether you're going for a complete makeover or just small upgrades, our professional team is dedicated to helping you achieve your dream home. With years of experience and customer satisfaction, we're the trusted name for interior design in Dubai. That's it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more interior design tips from Fixing Expert. Stay tuned for our next video, and as always, feel free to drop your questions or ideas in the comments below. See you next time.